Hi guys, I am the AfroGirl and welcome to MX Breakz, where I give you all the updates in the world of lifestyle and entertainment in Ghana and across the world. We start off with our very first story. Now, Black Sherif won the award for West African Artist of the Year at the 2023 Headies over Camido and Jackie, among others. Now we have the announcement video, and his speech, so let's check it out.
Artist of the Year.
And the winner is Black Sherif.
No, I'm gonna run my race. I'm gonna keep my pace. But we have no one to play. When I fall again, I can't stand this pain. I can't watch me fail. So anytime you play, remember my name. Remember you know what traveler. And then the square for the hustler. It's me far away, chasing Kuala. I'll be back again for me coming. I swear on my life. I can't wait to be back. I know you miss me. I know.
Allahu Akbar. Yes, I. Thank you so much to the fans, to the listeners. Thank you, Headies. Thank you, Nigeria. Thank you, Ghana. Thank you, Konoguzongo. Love you. Please.
Congratulations to Blacko once again. Now moving on, popular comedian Obi Amponsa is warning of the possible collapse of Ghana's comedy industry if the sector is deprived of the requisite support from various stakeholders. In a long post on Facebook on September 1st, the comedian noted that despite the industry boasting of exceptional talents, it is still struggling to find its feet. Now we have the post he put out, so let's read it. He says, in 2022, I decided to go check the comedy scene in South Africa, do a few clubs and test my strength there. Pitched my tent with Nabil Al-Hassan and Event Factory, went and did a couple of spots in different clubs. Then I came home to tell my colleagues about a rife market that is so cool to work in, where even our Ghana-made jokes work. He went on to say, in May 2023, Lexi DC, my partner in crime, joined the trip to SA, and we did more clubs and garnered the attention we needed from event organizers and comedian friends. All of these 2 trips, personally funded, gigs, personally sought. Then our hard work pays off. We are booked for a comedy festival in Bloemfontein happening this Saturday, but cannot go because we have not been able to secure visas. I'm not sure any event organizer would love to go through the stress we've put the organizer through. Dude is just waiting for confirmation so he can book our tickets. If this doesn't happen, I doubt he'll put us on anymore. Those Ghanaians will stress you with visa acquisition, will be their response for sure. I'm sad, Charlie. You take a step forward and then some immigration policies or whatever pull you 3 steps back. What's the point in sweating here? What's the point if we cannot reap the benefits of our labor? It'd be hard for this side. And to be honest, that's really sad to hear. That's really sad. And I really hope that he finds a way around it. I mean, it's not up to him, it's up to the immigration, but I hope they find a way to make it work. But moving on, Ghanaian Afrobeat singer Olive the Boy is again trending after featuring 2 talented Accra Technical Training Center students in his music video. These students were first spotted in Stonebwoy's Apotheke music video, where they displayed their dance skills in the confines of their school. Unfortunately, their repeated appearance in Olive the Boy's music video in their school uniforms may cost them their education and future. Unlike Stonebwoy's music video concept, Good Sin features some explicit themes that portray the sexual aspects of the song. Now, the school's authorities have expressed their displeasure over the students' participation in the sensual music video. Subsequently, they scrutinized why the students left the school premises to participate in the production while wearing their uniforms, which is against the school's rules and regulations. Now, according to sources, the school's authorities are reviewing the matter and considering possible suspension for the students involved. And we really hope that they manage to, I don't know, make it work some way, somehow. They're sorry. I don't think they intentionally decided to, go wear their uniforms. I'm sure the director asked them to do that, and they didn't really think far about it. So hopefully, Olive the Boys, the team will go and speak on their behalf. But again, moving on to our last story, Burna Boy has recalled a memorable moment between him and rapper J. Cole, who compared the African artist to the late Tupac Shakur. He said that the entire encounter was unexpected when he was a guest on the Rap Radar podcast. And we have the video where he spoke about this, so let's see it.
I don't really know the dynamics behind how everything happened, but somehow I end up in the studio with J. Cole and a bunch of basketball players tall as hell. You know, and then, yeah, before any music, we're just all talking about real stuff, about life and everything, really, you know, and for me, it's like I don't really talk, you know, I don't really like have conversations with people that don't really live with me and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You know, like I don't have them long conversations like that. So for me, it's like I found myself just going off and just
Feeling comfortable, perhaps.
yeah, just going off really. And then before we start, he just goes, bruh, this nigga is Tupac. And then I look around to see who he's talking about. And then it's me he's talking, like, yeah, this nigga is it's like Tupac and from reincarnated in Africa and shit.
Wow.
Like, damn, that's kind of deep. All right, let's make some music.
So somebody said that maybe he's lying. Maybe they said this guy thinks that he's Tupac, and then he assumed that they said he is Tupac. Do you understand? That's what some people are saying on social media, but let us know what you think. But guys, that's about it for MX Breaks with me, the AfroGirl. You know what to do, everything entertainment and lifestyle. We at MX24, we've got you covered. So give us a follow at MX24GH. I'm out.